Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware matches the updated client software. This prevents protocol mismatches. Next, check the device network. Assign a stable static IP, set gateway and DNS so the server can reach the unit. Once done, back up the attendance database and export all user templates, biometrics first, to avoid permanent data loss. These actions let you proceed with confidence and ensure the later sync won't overwrite or lose registrations. You now install and open the updated ZK software, enabling HTTP or SDK ports based on your setup so the device and server communicate. Then synchronize users, push or pull templates, and verify a few fingerprints manually to confirm integrity. After that, configure time zone, shift patterns, and automatic push policies so device logs map correctly to payroll. Make sure to run a sample download to validate that punch records are transmitted in real time and timestamps align. You finish by validating final logs and exporting reports to compare against manual records. This confirms accuracy before going live. Then apply any last patches, schedule automatic backups, and secure admin credentials to prevent accidental changes. If something goes wrong, first check for time drift between device and server, confirm firewall or NAT isn't blocking SDK/HTTP ports, and resync biometric templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.